Alright everybody, we are out here at the Crystal River. We got the Christian. He's going to be our captain for today. We're doing a minimalist challenge. We only got wire and hooks. We're going to catch a fish. Matt's going to hold down the fort.
Pretty funny.
Alright, we're going to get out there. Alright, I'll see ya.
Y'all have fun. It's my birthday, you know, it's all cool. I'll sit back here.
Alright, we'll be back.
Keep an eye
on the fort. We're gonna catch you a birthday fish.
How much battery do you have?
It's 10.
10? Alright, y'all explore, have fun.
Alright, well, we'll be back.
Sean, you know what you're doing.
We're gonna let Big Sean, or Littler.
Little Big Sean's about to paddle.
How do we figure it out?
You know, I like to call Sean Big Little Sean.
Little Big Sean. Big Little Sean.
Yeah.
So what's Sean? Big Little?
Just normal.
No. You got fucking, you know, that Sean and that Sean.
Beat. We had to beat that out.
Alright,
It's all good. Alright, we are out here.
we need...
Alright, y'all, we are really out here. The Crystal River of Florida.
The bayou.
The bayou. Not the bayou by me. We're a little bit far out. About 2 hours away from our normal destination.
See the springs on the left?
Yeah.
Go around, yeah. You gotta paddle a few times. So good. See the open water?
Oh yeah.
It's a gator. What happened? Your battery's dead, kid.
Is it?
Your battery's dead, kiddo. You gotta get to the right. Get over. Get over. Good job. See the stuff already kind of jumping out right here.
Mm-hmm.
On top water.
So where are we heading?
Let's go straight out for a minute. Get up past this pier. Let me kind of look to see where we want to go. Let's go over there by all them pylons. We were over there until we got stuck. I'll go back though. No, we're good. We just need deeper water. The channel's to the left. This is like, just right past the sticks is where I had the big bite on the bass. Oh yeah?
Shoot.
Sound like it.
They're really out here, folks.
Oh, it's crazy.
Probably hit it.
There's a gator right over there. Oh, I see his ass. There's maybe another one right over there. Where you want to go to, Sean?
I don't know. I'm not the lake fishing expert.
Neither am I. Seems decent.
I'd imagine somewhere with structure. some sort.
You're not listening to me. Captain says sit.
You're saying stuff.
No, you playing a dangerous game right now, bro. It's taking.
Alright, we are out here. No fish yet. But we will catch something. Captain Christian